Pause. You didn't come here by accident. Not to this video, not to this moment, not to this life. There is something divine that has been tracking your soul, and today it speaks clearly. God says, you've already been chosen. The doors you thought were locked, they were waiting for you to realize. You hold the key. This isn't a motivation video. This is a confirmation. Your rich life, your true rich life, is no longer a distant dream. It's now. Let me tell you a story. A woman named Mariah used to sit on the edge of her bed every morning in Chicago, wondering if the universe had somehow skipped her. She worked, she gave, she cried. And yet, year after year, she felt invisible, like abundance skipped her address. But something shifted one night. Not through effort, but through surrender. Mariah whispered before bed, God, I don't know how, but I'm ready. She wasn't filming it for social media. She was just done. And in that moment, she aligned, not with desperation, but with destiny. The next morning, a former colleague asked her to help manage a project. Just part-time. That small invitation led to her becoming co-owner of the firm 3 years later. Today, Mariah earns more in a month than she once made in a year. I'm not telling you this to make you envious. I'm telling you this because stories like Mariah's happen all the time. Quietly. To people who choose to believe one thing, God has already chosen you. You are not hoping for approval. You are remembering the truth of who you are. Let's pause here. Look around. Nothing may seem different, but listen deeper. There's a silent rearranging happening on your behalf. This is the moment your old life begins to fade, and your abundance steps forward. Let's make this clear. You're not becoming worthy. You've always been worthy. You're not trying to be ready. You were born ready. Now, it's about alignment. When you stop chasing, blessings start arriving. Not because you gave up, but because you opened up. Your rich life isn't just about money. Although money is coming, it's about ease, peace, freedom. And yes, checks will clear. Opportunities will unfold. You'll hear your name in rooms you've never entered because you are already chosen. Let's go deeper. Have you been seeing 777, 888, question mark 1111? They're not coincidences. They're confirmation codes. The divine saying, keep walking, you're exactly where you need to be. Been dreaming vividly? Waking up with strange emotions? Feeling like something massive is around the corner? That's your inner GPS adjusting. The divine doesn't shout, it whispers. When you align with trust over control, things shift fast. You don't have to throw away your vision boards. But none of it works until you accept this. You've already been chosen. Once you stop trying to earn it, you start receiving it. This isn't hype. This is spiritual fact. You're not waiting for the miracle. You are the miracle. Now your life is catching up. People may say you're too optimistic. Let them speak. While they cling to fear, you step into favor. God does not make mistakes. You've been positioned. Now, the gates of overflow are opening, even if you can't see it yet, even if your bank account says otherwise. Don't trust what your eyes see. Trust what your spirit knows. Your current reality is old news. Your alignment is the press release for what's next. And it's all good. Pause, breathe. Can you feel it? That soft opening in your chest? That little tingle in your fingers? That's not imagination. That's reception. You're receiving this message for a reason. Your soul brought you here. You're ready to rise. Let me say it again. Your rich life starts now. Not next year. Not when things get easier. Now, because once you say yes, the universe says yes louder. If you were waiting for a sign, this is it. If you doubted whether you're deserving, you are. This isn't about hustle, it's about harmony. No more shrinking, no more maybe one day. God already stamped your name on miracles. They're headed your way. Now that you've remembered who you are, the real question is, will you live like someone who's already been chosen? Because chosen doesn't mean better. It means aligned. It means you've stopped trying to prove your worth. You've stopped begging the universe for crumbs. You've realized the table was always set for you. You're not becoming the person who receives wealth. You already are that person. You're not waiting to be noticed. God noticed you long ago. He's been working in silence behind closed doors, setting up moments you didn't even know were coming. Every delay you thought was rejection? It was divine redirection. Every detour you hated? It led you here. This version of you stronger, clearer, more receptive. The energy has already shifted. You're attracting more peace, more provision, more clarity, and yes, more money. But not for status, for freedom. This isn't just about dollars, it's about what dollars represent. Freedom to choose. Freedom to rest. Freedom to give, to create, to live without fear of lack. You'll soon wake up and feel something new. No more rushing, no more pressure. Just calm confidence that something is unfolding for you. And it is. If things have felt strange lately, dreams, repeated numbers, deja vu emotional waves, it's not random. It's your inner world syncing with your spiritual timeline. The chosen often feel the shift before it's visible, and right now your soul knows something big is coming. You can't see the full picture yet, but you're not meant to. You're meant to feel it first. Let go of the story that says you must hustle to be worthy. Let go of the belief that money is hard. Let go of the lie that says it's too late. You're right on divine time. And no, you're not imagining this shift. That lightness in your chest, that quiet peace in your stomach, that sense that something amazing is on its way, that's spiritual GPS saying, you've arrived at alignment. Energy moves before matter. Your vibration right now is creating the results that will show up soon. Maybe even tomorrow, so prepare. Speak as if it's done. Move as if it's coming. Smile as if it already arrived, because it has, just not fully in your sight yet. Start behaving like someone who's wealthy in spirit and trusted with abundance. Give thanks for the money that's coming before it arrives. Bless your home with the energy of peace. Organize your wallet as if it's about to receive more than ever before. That's what chosen ones do. They don't chase, they attract. They don't strive, they prepare. You're stepping into that level now. Don't be surprised when unexpected checks appear. When someone offers you something that seems too generous. When your intuition says yes and miracles follow. You're crossing over into receiving season. So comment below as your energetic stamp. Chosen, ready, receiving. Say it, feel it, believe it. And if this message touched your spirit, share it. Let someone else feel this divine reminder. Let it bless your friends, your family, even strangers. When chosen ones connect, blessings multiply. So, from this moment on, speak differently, walk differently, expect differently. No more hoping, start knowing. No more waiting, start preparing. Because your rich life, it's not far away. It's already in motion. You've already been chosen. And now you receive. Not next month, not next lifetime. Now,